Hello, hi. My name is Pravesh. This is my university ID. My project is AI Autonomous Web Project Manager. These are the agendas of my project, which divided into research phase and product demo. These are for the research part, and this is for the product demo. The main problem statement of is traditional project manager with passive reporting. There is 70% chances of failure of project due to unmanaged time or many other resources. This and 40% of failure due to repetitive taxes. The global loss of this project is to $60 billion USD. The main research question is how can Agentic AI autonomously manage web development projects, optimize workflows, and perform self-healing with maintaining human oversight. Literature review AI in project manager, multiple agent system, Mars, generative AI, and LLM. Ethical AI biasness mitigation. The ethic agents, data privacy, research gap, current limitations, arbitrary multi cross validation, human in the loop, policy engine, adapting LLM routing, system architecture. This is the MongoDB architecture which focuses on these parts. The multi-agent system which is divided into this. This is multiple agent orchestration, and these agents manage the tasks. Database schema architecture is divided into project model, tax model, and audit model. Redis job orchestration, which is divided into multiple workers and agents, which completes the tasks and generate the required taxes. LLM strategy and routing. The project is designed in such a way that it can change the LLM at any time. Suppose previously I have used Gorg LLM, Llama, now I am using Gemini, or at that end I can use OpenAI or any other. Prompt engineering and JSON parsing. Prompt engineering based on modular approach, which is decided by decision agent as per the task. Circuit deep driver, failure threshold, protection mechanism, requirement analysis, the functional and functional requirement. These are the requirements. AI tax driven, done, real-time convert on functional, non-functional AI latency 30 second, done, security, rate limiting and CWT kicks and done, security and governance, human in the loop. The approval is done by the human. Financial, accounting and API expenditures are calculated at AI governments on the pre-model basis. SCR and observability ensuring system reliability through site reliability engineering practices, matrices, testing, RCA. Testing and validation, unit testing, API testing, cost testing, key metrics, LLM calculations, and system distribute temperature, API testing using Postman, conclusion of research. The integration of mass means multi-agent system with generative AI successfully automate complex project manager workflows. Proper governance, adapting routing, and SRE patterns are essential for the production reliability. Authentication. Now this is the product demo part. The authentications are based on Google, GitHub, OTP while changing the password, cryptic hashing, JWT authentication. And now these are the slide for landing pages. This is dashboard overview. This is intelligent Kanban board view, live while executing AI pipelines depending on the tasks and decision panels, AI workplace, control center, and these are the icons in which agents are decided. Decision engine, which predicts the high risk capabilities, medium risk, low risk, or high risks. AI memory and audit trial, autonomous log. This decides the token limit, decision agent, and how the project is decided. Now, statistic AI chat. This is generative model, which also can be used as agentic. The model has unique feature we will see in introduction or the demo. This is as we can change the model and to different model, drag to color or like that model. Deployment, the deployment front is digital, virtual, backend, render, and Docker container is also used. These are the future roadmap in further RAG integration, microservices, and real-time things. Now we are going to the product. This is the end of our presentation. Now we will start the product demo. Now let's see the product architecture. This is my backend. These are the system design. We can see the different folders. Now this is my front-end architecture. Let's run the server. The backend server is running. Now as you see, AI workers, background, Redis and MongoDB has been running the server and 501 put. Now let's run the backend and front-end server. As we are running now, let's go. My application is, this is the landing page of front end in white mode, now in dark mode. Now as you can see, this is the Shristika AI agent which I have described literally. This is an any mode. Now let's log in. Now these are learning quick access demo which was provided by this. Now we can directly log in, or we can log in through Google. No, let's log in through Google. Now I will choose this Gmail. Okay. This is home. This shows project completed total 10k and many other things. Let's first create new project. I'm planning to project on research project. Now let's start. Okay, we have to wait till the project is generation. In this case, many agents have been started working. Yes. As you see, the task has been generated. Suppose this is ITX task. It's in progress. We can set which automatically goes in second. Now if I want to, I have completed the task, I can directly push to completed part. As you see this. Now let's go to report part. Here I select this project. AI can automatically generate the report, or I can manually write. The has been generated. Submit the report. The report has been generated. Now let's go to profile section. In profile, we can edit or see the Gmail job title, edit easily. We can see this or any other. I can edit the job title, phone number, and many other things. You can also see the remaining token limit. Setting as same as this appearance. Mode can be changed. Notification, the security, change the password, and many other. Now let's go to a planning phase. In this case, we can select the project and run task for task generation, risks for risk analysis, ethics, agent, report agent, and engine scoring, many other. Let's try first scoring engine agent. Now the worker agents have been in the background. As you can see, the agents have been started to. This is front end, back end. Yes, see, as you seeing, the records has been operating down to the lists. Okay, successfully executed on the Kanban board. If we go on the board, we'll see that. Now let's go to a review. In this case, suppose I will run the audit. It will show the audit report, a view report. It will show the report. Let's see this first. The React Redux has been working. The 11 tasks has been generated for are on the rigs. That you can easily view on this. Now the proper analysis have been running. That's the result will be same. So the 5 risks has been detected to be tax generated as per the latest permit. Now let's go to AI decision. First we have to select the project, run the decision agent, and this is what is tax generation. This can handle this is the optimized and 11 tax 5 risks except recommendation accepted. This is medium. The tax which they have generated is medium risk, high risk, low risk, and decision log part. Let's go to a memory. In the memory we can see run agent, how agent is run and the tax processing. The individual, this is the tax ID individually as per this agent tax has been showing report. Then we have generated first created, all has been listed as per the tax, and now put activities log. As the till now we have done the demonstration activities which has been already showing there. Now let's go to the profile and see what we are capable to do this. See, this is the total quota, this remaining quota 6 has been used, security levels, passport string, JWT authentication. Now let's edit the profile. The title, researcher, department, Kennedy Health, or many other as per your wish. This city, bio, as per your. Now let's interact with our Shristika, the AI agent. This is a agentic generative based movable agent as per wish, and in the previously we have seen the video. If I ask my project answer like how many projects have been transferred, it will go to my AI Orchestration. If I let hi, wait for this response, and I will show you the how this agent will respond. The tax analyze the whole tax I demonstrated can be done with Shristika easily. This is the main agent and it's human based. See hyperbase about this. What can do for list all? Yes. See project profile run agent dashboard new project memory everything she can do. Yes, this is receptionist. I can say this. Okay. Through this, suppose I want to go setting, click errands. This is Agentic, power of AI agents. Now the main demonstration and explanation as per the task. See the AI resources code, project 1, 0 tax. Now let's go to dashboard. First clear Shristika and this. Move to this side and let the today's tax. Let's it one tax to one to two tax that are completed. Okay. Tax in progress. Yes. Map to in progress. And this tax to completed. And so we have done this. Now we can see one task progress on completed, 50 total tasks remaining. This is the end of demonstration, and this is the directly I need help and anything about the projects. If I click the Shristika will represent that isn't faster. This is the end of this is the end of our production demonstration. We can see this handles all the logic clearly. This is enough present. Thank you.